Hello and welcome to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where conversations go beyond classrooms. I'm your host Neha, and in today's episode, we are going to explore a powerful combination of two words that is driving this world real time and also the intelligent decision making. In this podcast, we are going to explore two impactful and powerful words: artificial intelligence and edge computing. The powerful duo that is driving this world into real-time intelligent decision making. And to talk about it, we have with us Dr. Nandkumar Kulkarni, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for having me here.
Most welcome, sir. So, sir, why don't we start with explaining the two terms, that is artificial intelligence and edge computing, and how are they interconnected?
Okay. First of all, welcome to the forefront of innovation in computer science and engineering, where the power of AI and the reliability of edge computing meets together. So in this digital era, the data is generated day by day in a tremendous way. And to manage this data, intelligent systems are required. The intelligent systems are required to make some decisions. And artificial intelligence, if we talk about, then artificial intelligence makes the machine smarter. And edge computing, it makes the data and the computation, or it processes the data and the computation near to the source where it is generated. So that is how AI and edge computing are connected together. In short, I can say that artificial intelligence makes the machine how to think, and edge computing is deciding where this thinking ability is to be applied.
Well, wonderfully mentioned, sir. However, we would like to understand that how further this combination is impacting, and why was there a need of combining AI and edge computing?
Uh, to answer this question, I would like to give a small example. Uh, Let us say smart camera, cloud computing enabled camera. So if it captures any image, then the data goes to the server, and the server, cloud server, it processes the data and it replies back. So there a lot of delay is involved in the decision making. So instead of that, if we make the edge device, and if we make the CCTV camera smart enough, then the decisions can be taken immediately on the edge device itself. So it reduces the latency, and the decisions can be made real time. And that is the reason AIEC is growing day by day, and the demand of AIEC is also growing day by day because it has solving a lot of challenges in the real world.
Well, that's quite a real-time answer that you have given here. So, sir, also we would like to know that what are the real-world applications of AI and edge computing?
So you can think in real world applications, if we start from smart home, so where all the home appliances can be controlled remotely, or smart offices. Even you can talk about smart surveillance. So where the surveillance, the CCTV cameras are capturing the images and they are providing real-time intrusion detection system. Or if we talk about agricultural sector, where the sensors are sensing the physical parameters and they are making the agricultural smarter, where the yield can be increased with the help of these smart devices. So these, and even if we go to industrial 4.0 or 5.0, so if the machine is able to tell the fault well before it gets breakdown, then that is a very intelligent machine, and that is where edge computing comes in picture.
Thank you so much for clarifying that to our audience. We would like to know that what type of certifications or various other courses are there to how the students can be equipped further in this particular domain.
So as far as certifications are concerned, there are many companies who are actually artificial intelligence and edge computing, it is an amalgamation of hardware and software. So all the companies which are providing software as well as hardware, they are also providing the certificate. Like if I take the example of NVIDIA, then NVIDIA is giving the hardware support for all these smart devices. So NVIDIA has many certifications like deep learning certifications or machine learning certifications. Even we have certifications, Azure AI certifications these students can opt for. And so even in IoT, one can become a solution architect. So all these certifications the students can opt, and they can build their career in AI easy.
So at what intervals of time these certifications are important for the students?
So the certifications are important for the students not only from their placement perspective, but they will add knowledge to overall knowledge of the, or they will, it will enhance the knowledge of the students also. So we encourage students in every semester, and we ask the students instead of learning from the book, we ask the students learning by doing. That is the main concept in School of Computing, and we ask the students to undergo for global certifications, and every semester the students are undergoing certifications, and we have in our department more than 300 certifications in Coursera, and more than 26 NVIDIA certifications the students have opted. Even almost 25 students have completed Azure AI certifications. So we encourage the students for these certifications. And one important point I would like to highlight here is this artificial intelligence and edge computing specialization. It is in association with Intel. So we have a dedicated lab Intel lab in our department, and we have various hardwares also. So like we have the login servers, or even we have the compute servers in our department. So we have the boards like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, then STM32. We are using also Jetson Nano boards from NVIDIA. So students are doing hands-on practice on these hardware devices, and they are undergoing certifications. So they have hands-on experience when they face any kind of interview, or even when they go in the industry. So they are ready for deployment on the project.
That's very exciting for the students to hear so many such labs and certifications and center of excellence and learning facilities that are provided by the school. So sir, this brings me to the most important question from the student's perspective, that after acquiring all these skills, what type of placement opportunities will the students be having?
Okay. After completing AIC specialization, the student can work either as a AI engineer, or he can work as a machine engineer. He can also work as a IoT solution architect, or he can work as a data scientist, or even a student can work in robotics, a robotics engineer. So AIEC has tremendous scope, because if you look at the curriculum of AIEC, then the students are learning courses from various domains, right from IoT, AI, then machine learning, then even data science. So the career path is not fixed over here. The student has various choices when they pass out, and this is not limited. So here we are encouraging students how to how to apply AI for real world problem solving, rather than just learning AI.
Wow. So thank you very much, Dr. Kulkarni, for simplifying such complex ideas into such a simplified manner. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So dear audience, we must understand that the amalgamation of these technologies, these courses today are not just creating smarter ideas, but these are also going to create smarter careers.
Yes.
Right? So thank you once again, sir, for being
Thank
with us here today. And we would like to know more about a third angle to this, that is data engineering. But maybe we can have another podcast meeting
Yes,
for that.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes.
Definitely.
So thank you very
Thank you
much
very
for tuning in to ADTU Unplugged podcast. And we will meet once again with a new dimension in this conversation. Thank you.
Thank you very much.